The iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro Mini or the Pro Max comes with a shiny, slim, and a sleek design. It is beautifully made, and if you want to show off the beautiful design, then you are ought to go for a clear case. So in this video, I'm going to unbox the Scolor iPhone 13 Pro case. There are two different types in this one. There is a tear and a moonlight design. So let's open this up and see what a clear case looks like when you put it on the iPhone 13 Pro. So I'm just going to open up this box, and inside this box there is only a case, nothing else inside the box. So I'm just going to open this one up as well. This is a moonlight version. It comes in a box, and it's also come in a plastic bag. Now you can see here with this design, there's some kind of like a water drops, and let's just peel out the back here, and we're going to take a look. So the water drops is actually has been made into the case, the back case itself. So I'm just going to see if there is a cover inside. Some cases have a cover inside that you need to peel off. Now at the moment it doesn't look like there is any cover on the inside. So I'm going to first put the phone inside this case here. It's very nice. It's like a water drop kind of things. If you can see it, if we first have a look at this case right here, you can see there's some kind of like a water drop. It's beautifully made. So it's very cool. I haven't seen a case like this before. Normally I've seen a clear case with a plain back, but with this one here, it's some kind of like a 3D water drops. It's really cool. So I'm just gonna put it on the phone inside the case and see what it feels like to hold it. Okay, I'm just gonna try to squeeze it in. So we got the three side in, just the last one now. Alright, so it's nice. It's in now. Just trying to pop the tops in as well. Okay, it's not going in at the moment. I'm not sure because of this camera's cover. So I'm just trying to take it out again, and then we're going to put it in at the top. Okay, so it could be the camera's causing it not to go in. Okay, so the camera's gone in right now. Okay, the curtains seem to be not being able to fit in with the camera lens. So if you have a camera lens cover, then maybe it's a little bit difficult to put this one on. So I'm just trying to play around to see if I can squeeze it in. Okay, it doesn't look like it's going to fit in with a camera lens cover because of the design. It is designed to fit perfectly with your camera lens. So if you are going to buy a camera lens cover, maybe it's best to make sure that it fits with your case. Okay, so I have taken off the lens cover because this case just looks so nice that perhaps I don't want to use a lens cover for this with this case. Now after taking out the lens cover, it fits perfectly in place. Now the cutout around the camera lens is really high. Now if you take a look here, it's actually above the camera lens, which is really good because you want the case to be high enough to protect your camera lens so that when you put it on the table, it doesn't actually cause the camera lens to scrap on the tables and causing scratches on the lens right here. And that's great. At each of the corners, there is a small raise. It's very tiny, it's not that big. So if I zoom in, you can see there is a small raise at the corner right here. It's not very high. And there's a cutout. The cutout is quite big, sufficient for you to use with all the different charging cable. There's also a cutout for the speaker. They are perfectly matched. So perfectly match up with the microphone and the speaker hole right here in the corner. And on the inside, it looks like there is also air cushion so that it can help protect if the phone were to drop on the floor, especially on the corner where you have the most impact point, and this can help absorb the shock impact. It is thin. The case is hard, and generally when a case is too hard, it doesn't give you as good protection as a soft case. For example, a silicone case or a soft rubber case like this sometimes can give you a good protections, but it's not that bad. It's still very good material. It's very thick. You can see here it's not that soft. It has a TPU product made around the cover here and a hard cover at the back here. This one here, if we peel out the back cover, is also another beautiful design. I don't think there is any cover on the inside. You can't peel out, so there is no protective cover on the inside. And it has this design here: the moon, the earth, the sun, the stars. So it is a universe with even a UFO flying this or flying saucer as well. So this is a galaxy case, I guess. And this is a water drop case, very beautifully made. They are both the same case, just different design. So as I said before, there is a small air cushion on the corner to protect the phone. So this is what it looks like with this case on. Now it fits perfectly fine with this phone. Also, there's also a bit of raise on the edge here. It is raised above the glass itself, so that if I place my phone on the table and swap it around against the surface of the table, it actually won't scratch the glasses because it's quite high. Let me zoom in so you can see. So you can see it is maybe half a millimeter above the screen. And mind you, I also have a screen protector on already. Over here, I already have a screen protector on, and it's quite high. So it will protect your phone if you are to have it face down or face up. And this one is also quite high, protecting your camera lens. And the buttons are quite soft to press. They are gentle. You can press it on or off. The volume button are also gentle to press. And there is also a slot right here where you can press or push the silent key up and down. And that's it. This is a clear case to show off the design of your phone. You can see on the side here, it is very transparent, so you can see the design, the beautiful gold color or the silver color, whatever color your phone is. It will show off the beautiful shiny on the side here and at the back here. Now if you got patterns, then it will not be easily visible to see the back of your phone, but for a clear case like this, especially this one here, or water drop, it will show off the beautiful back cover of your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.